Hey, how's it going? This is Rod from Justin's Toys, and today I'm going to be opening up a Modern Masters 2017 edition. It says all those modern cards that everybody's going nuts about because their prices on cards they hoarded went down. But lucky for me, I didn't play for that long, so this is my chance to get into that modern format. So, let's open it up. Yeah. Alright. Toss the garbage. Yeah, I mean, first thing I noticed, like, this packaging is kind of sloppy. For packs that are normally retailing for $10, they could have done something that secured these packs better. These are just all over the place. Alright, so I know you guys don't care about the small talk, so let's get right to it. I'm not even going to waste my time trying to... Oh, wow. Off the bat. Sick. Next. Ooh. Score. A second fetch. Alright, so we're almost down to half. So, oh, Griselbrand. I'll take that. That was a foil fetch. I got really down to half. Got two fetches and a Griselbrand. So, it's not too shabby. Ooh. Yeah, I'll take that foil uncommon. Path. Cyclonic Rift. Blah. The promo ones were like $10. God, I'm gonna rip these cards apart. Come on, foil, fire. Oh, yeah, this is my favorite card. Cavern. Okay, I've been collecting those on hats. Those are very uncommon. Ooh, wow. Snappy. I will take that. Voice of Resurgence, I will take that. I know that skyrocketed down in value. So right here we have the money cards that I pulled from this box. Really good amount of mythic rares, believe it or not. 4, I'll take 4. Voice of Resurgence, I think that's like $6 maybe. Snappy went down to like 30. Caverner's Souls like 30 as well. Path to Exile, I'm gonna say like $10. Griselbrand probably like 6. Verdant 30. Desecration Demon probably like 5. Marsh Flats is like 22. So overall, I'd say the money cards probably, I don't know. I'll write it in the description after I do some research. There you have it. There's my box. Let me know what you got. Let me know what you think. If it's a good box, bad box, I don't know. I only saw Alpha Investments video, but there you have it. Pigs.